सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीं। हरि ओम। So the घिसंज्ञक शब्द अकारांत शब्द is over, आकारांत over, घिसंज्ञक इकारांत शब्द is over, सखी शब्द unique पति शब्द also is over, and now we are ह्रस्व इकारंत only, but some special unique words, those words are being discussed. So kati shabda, tri shabda, which are a little bit different, some work, unique work happens, that's why they are taken. Kati shabda we saw that it is kim sarvanama ending with dati pratyaya, and it gets special saudnyas called sankhya saudnya. It was not sankhya by nature, and then later the saudnya was given it to, and then sankhya saudnyaka, that dati pratyayanta, it becomes shat saudnyaka. So any sankhya ending with sha and na is considered as shat. Also any sankhya which ends with dati pratyaya is named as shat. And with that shat saudnya we removed jas and shas pratyayas. These two pratyayas were removed, and then kati kati, these two forms we got. Now there we saw some special work which is called pratyalope pratyaya lakshanam was work. Even after the disappearance of pratyaya, the work of pratyaya happens. That was the rule. But then if the lopa, the disappearance has been done by the word look, shlu or look, then the pratyalope pratyaya lakshanam, this rule will not be applied. Means what? The work which happens due to the pratyaya does not happen in the absence of that pratyaya if absence is done by using these words. So shadbhya look, here the look word was used to make that jas and shas to disappear. Because this was used, that's why the guna of that raswanta anga does not take place. That jasicha rasvasya gunah jasicha, that second sutra, it says that when there is jas, then the hraswanta shabda will get guna. So kati does not get guna, we get just kati only. Why? Because nalumatangasya, lumata shabdena, the luman, the one who has lu is called luman. Lumata shabdena, who is luman shabda? Lumata shabdena lupte tannimittamanga karyam nasyat, and thus the kati, these two forms we get. Kati is always bahuvachana and all gender same. Katibihi, katibhya, katibhya, katinam, katishu, that was done. Yushmad asmat and shat saudnyaka, those which are named as shat and yushmat asmat, they are equal in all three genders. Then tri shabda was taken. Tri shabda is again hraswa ikaranta, because it itself is expressing number 3, means more than 2. Because it is expressing more than 2, the number, that's why it will always be declined in plural. Now trayah, trin, tribihi, these are the forms which are common for it. Just like harayah, harin, haribihi, haribhyah, haribhyah. Now harinam, here in the shashti vibhakti bahuvachan only some work is happening. What was that work? So 3 was replaced by Traya. 3 was replaced by Traya. Traya, and then Nut Agama was done. Traya Nam, and again that Yakara becomes Dirgha by Nami. So that makes that Akara Dirgha. Trayanam. That's what we get from Trayanam Trishu. Now one more thing was added, that it happens even Gaunatva means in Samasta Pada also, if there is 3 word, then that also 3 word will get Traya Adesha. Okay? Not only when it is single. That was the word. Now 3 Shabda, after 3 Shabda, we are going to enter in next sutra. Correct. Tyadadi Nama was the sutra we are supposed to study. Correct.
Yes, Jay.
So let's read the sutra. Tyadadi Namah. Tyadadi Namah. Tyadadi Namah. Tyadadi Namah. Tyadadi Nam Aha. Sutra, this is how it is split. Tyadadi Nam Aha. So Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Tyadadi Nam. Tyadadi Nam of Tyad, etc. This is Sthani, Shashti Vibhakti. Sthani. And Aha is Prathama Vibhakti. Yes, Aha is ending with Prathama Vibhakti. Aha, Au, Aha. That's how it will go. So Aha, Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. So obviously this is Adesha, or this is the work which is going to happen. Happen on the place of what? Tyadadi. Tyadadis are what? This is the work. Tyadadi Nam Aha Syat. Or this is the artha of sutra. Tyadadi Nam Aha Syat. May A come on the place of Tyadadi. Okay. Now, who are these Tyadadi? We had seen this Sarvadigana. Sarva Vishwa Ubha Ubhayada Taradata Anya Tara Twatva Nema Samasima Purva Para Avara Dakshina Uttara Para Adhara Swa Antara, and Tyad comes here in between. Tyad, Tad, Yad, Etad, Ad, Tyad, Adav, Yesham Te, Tyadadayah. So Tyad is the Adi of whom remaining these words, from Tad till Bhavatu, till Kim. All of these, they are having Tyad in front of them. Tyad is the first among them, leading. So we have to understand, from Tyad, whatever is remaining is being talked by Tyadadi word. If I say Sarvadi, everything is included. Ubhadi, then from Ubha till Kim, everything is included. Now Tyadadi, from Tyad till Kim, everything is included. So, but everything was not expected. That's why the Vartika comes. Dviparyantanam eva ishtihi. Dviparyantanam eva ishtihi is Vartika. Where do you find Dvi? Here. After Eka, Dvi is coming. Dviparyantanam eva ishtihi means till Dvi only Tyadadi are expected or intended, not any other. So starting from Tyad, if we say Tyad is the first among, then till Kim is included. But Vartika is saying that though Tyad is becoming first among all these words, you just read till Dvi only. Okay. So by word Tyadadi, it means tyad tad yad etad idam adas eka dvi. Okay, this is the meaning. Tyadadi. Now tyadadi nam of these, who tyad tad yad etad idam adas eka dvi, of this Shashti Vibhakti. So on the place of these, then the sutra comes. On the place of these means what? Everything will get replaced by a or what? No, just alone tyasya. Antyasya alah. If tyad is the word, and tyadadi nama sutra is saying that those words which are coming in tyadadi group, they will get replaced by a, or they will get adesha a. That means what? Just last the will be replaced by a. The is replaced by a. Yeah. Sutra is tyada amah. This is the sutra, current sutra. Now, when will we bring this a? Is there any condition? So condition is given. What? Vibhaktau. Vibhaktau aha syat. Vibhakti is what? What is vibhakti? Sup and ting. Sup and ting pratyayas are named as vibhakti. So when there is vibhakti in front of it or in front of them, then yad, tad, etad, all of them will get akara adesha. So in order to bring this a, there has to be vibhakti pratyaya. For example, su. Now vibhakti, su is vibhakti pratyaya because it is there in front of it. Therefore, in this situation only tyad dakara is replaced by akara. So to bring a, no objection, we will bring tya, that will be replaced by a. But when, if there is vibhakti pratyaya, so here only, it can, not anywhere else. Okay, this is the meaning of this sutra. Esham ke tyad tad yad etad idam adas eka dvi. Esham vibhaktau pare sati किम भविष्यति? Akarah bhavishyati or akarah syat. So the akara got replaced by akara. Tya a. This is the situation. Okay. Now what we are seeing ikaranta shabda. Ikaranta shabda we are seeing. So among these shabdas, dvi is ikaranta. Can we see dvi? Dvi is ikaranta, and the prakarana is going on of ikaranta shabda. So therefore ikaranta dvi is taken here, and for this dvi only this sutra is coming here. All other these words, eka is already dealt, but eka, anyway, just keep eka aside. Dvi is taken here because it is ending with ikara. Ikara shabdas are going on, ikaranta shabdas are going on, that's why dvi is taken. Tyad, tad, yad, etad, idam, adas, all of these are ending with vyanjana. That's why they will be taken when the vyanjananta shabdas are going on. Where there is the halanta topic is going on, there these shabdas will be taken, and then again we will use this Tyadadinamaha sutra. We will define. But for now, because halanta shabdas are not going on, tyad, tad, etc., we are not taking. We are just taking dvi because dvi is one ikaranta shabda, which is supposed to be taken here because that is the prakarana going on. It is becoming akaranta, that is different thing, but it is ikaranta. Originally pratipadik is ikaranta. That's why it is taken here. So let's take dvi. Cannot come. Dvi itself means two things. It has the sense of two, number of two. So suvibhakti, the ekvachana pratyas will not come obviously. Also bahuvachana pratyas will not come, because whole together the pratipadika artha itself is vachana. The artha of pratipadika itself is what? Number. So, and that number is 2. So it is obvious, no intention. We, in other words, if there is Rama word we are taking, then it is up to speaker that, okay, how many Ramas I intend to express by that Rama Shabda. 2, then I will say Rama. 1, I will say Ramaha. Okay, but when it is Dvi, whether speaker intends or not, Dvi means 2. So number is expressed. That why only dvivachana pratyas will come in front of. So dvi plus out. Dvi plus out. Dvi plus bhyam. Dvi bhyam plus os. Dvi plus os. Overall, we are going to get these many situations. Dvi out, dvi bhyam, os, dvi os. Now, what is the rule? This current sutra is saying that tyadadi naam ahasyat vibhaktau. Au, out, bhyam, os, all of these are named as vibhakti. Because these are named as vibhakti and they are there after dvishabda, dvishabda is coming in tyadadi. That's why dvi will be getting a adesha. Dv, e, au. What will happen? Dva, a, au. E, out. What will happen? Dva, a plus out. Then dva, just dva, directly I am writing, plus bhyam. Dva plus bhyam. Dva plus bhyam. Dva plus os and again dva plus os. Okay. Now, for now, we did the akara adesha. Dvi became dva, au, dva bhyam, dva os. That's it. Now, what will happen in this situation? This is what the situation we have got here. The next step. Now it was ikaranta, fine, but it has become now akaranta. So you have to decline it like akaranta. Just like Rama Shabda was akaranta, and just take the akaranta dvivachana of Rama. Same form you are going to get. Okay, what sutra will come here first? Dva plus au. First sandhi will be Vriddhi sandhi. Correct?
Yes, ji.
Vriddhi sandhi will be prapta. At echi. This is H. This is akara. At echi pare Vriddhi ekadeshasya. But it will not happen. Another sutra will come. Reason is because it is Prathama or Dvitiya Bhakti Pratyay. That is the reason. Because of that, Vriddhi Sandhi rule is not applied. But some other rule is applied. What is that? Prathamayoho Purva Savarna. Sutra will do Purva Savarna Dirgha Adesha. So, Dva, Au, Dva. First, let's make them disappear. And then Dva, A, and then that's it. Correct, na? Correct.
Yes. Nadichi is. It is not Dwa. It will Vriddhi only will happen.
Okay, how?
Nadichi.
Nadichi. At ichi pare.
Pratamayoho
Purva Savarna Dirgha.
bhavati.
No. So, really, the Prathamayo Purva Savarna Dirgha was prapta. Vriddhirechi was badhita. But Nadichi Sutra comes and do not do in the case of Akaranta Shabda. It is not now Ikaranta, it is Akaranta. That's why this Prakriya will not happen. So, Purva Savarna Dirgha iti Dirghe Prapte. Prapte. What will happen? A plus au. Okay, Dirghe Prapte. What will happen? Nadichi iti Purva Savarna Dirgha Nishedha. What will be Pravritta?
Wow. Dwa.
Rule is
Vriddhi
Vriddhirechi only. Vriddhirechi iti Vriddhi eva. Thus we get our form, correct? Dwa. So Dwa form is not correct. Same Vitaya Bhakti Dvivachan also, same, just Dvi out. Dvi plus out. What will happen? Same Prakriya. Halantyam tasya lopah Dvi au.
Vriddhi
No, first we have to change that E into A. Tyadadi namaha. So Dvi Shabda comes in Tyadadi. That's why the last letter of Dvi will be replaced by A. Dvi will become Dwa, then Au. Dwa plus Au. Now, Vriddhirechi will be Prapta. But it will be stopped by Prathamayo Purva Savarna. Again, Nadichi Sutra will come and it will say that do not do Prathamo Purva Savarna Dirgha if word is ending with Akara. Word is ending with Akara and it is getting followed by Ichi. each pratyahara letter, which is au. So the Purva Savarna Dirgha rule did not get placed to work here. Then again, which rule will work? Vriddhi Rechi. Vriddhi Rechi work. Disappeared, au disappeared, au came, Vriddhi on the place of, in the place of both of them, and we got the answer Dvav. So Dvav, Dvav. Again, second answer is also Dvav. Now Dva and Bhyam, this is the condition. What will happen?
Again, we can apply the same sutra. Tyadadi nama.
Okay, Tyadadi Namaha. We applied. We already applied Tyadadi Namaha. Dvi became Dva.
Then again, Pratamayoho Purva Savarna. So Dvabhyam.
How?
Oh, sorry. This is third one. No, sorry.
Supicha.
Abhyam. Supicha Sutra is applied. Correct? Adanta Anga becomes Dirgha when it is followed by Supratyaya. These are the Supratyayas. Correct?
Yes, Jay.
Same form, Dvabhyam. Here, Dvabhyam. Here. Dvi os, Dva os. Yadadi namah vibhaktau yadadi nam aha. We turn Dvi into Dva. Now, os.
Osicha.
Osicha. What will happen by Osicha?
Oh. Adanta Angara will get Ekara Adesha.
Dva a os. Then Akara. Adantanga will get Ekara Adesha. Dva a os.
Osicha.
Osicha. बहुवचने झल्येत. झलि बहुवचने अदन्ताङ्गस्य एकारः स्यात्. ओसि अपि अदन्ताङ्गस्य एकारः स्यात्. Thus, द्वे a os. What will happen now?
Echoyavayavah.
Echoyavayavah os. Rutva by sasarusho ruhu. Ukar will disappear by will get it saudnya upadeshe janunasika. It will disappear by tasya lopaha. Dvayor. Then dvayor repa will get visarga by kharavasanayor visarjaniya, and final form is ready. Dvayoho. Same for dvi os saptami bhakti. Form is Dvayoho. Correct?
Yes, Jay.
Abhyam.
Dvabhyam Dvayoho Dvayoho.
That's it. Vishabda is over. Now, let's come back. Yeah. Dvau, dvau, dvabhyam, 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 dvayoho, dvayoho. Done. Here. Till this part is over. Now, hrasva ikaranta shabdas, hrasva ikaranta pullinga shabdas are over. Hrasva akaranta over. Hrasva dirgha akaranta over. Now, hrasva ikaranta is over. Correct? Done. These are the hrasva ikaranta shabdas. All of them will be like this only, of this category. General is like Hari. Sakhi and Pati are exceptions. Dvi is something different which becomes Akaranta and it is decline. It's kind of Akaranta only, we can understand it. Over. And one more Shabda we saw, some unique Shabda we saw in Akaranta only. Kind of weird Shabda we saw.
Vishwappa.
No, it is Akaranta. But Akaranta.
Aha.
Haha is Akaranta.
Chandu.
One more Shabda we saw, which took a long time. It is Nirjara, Nirjaras, Nirjara, Nirjara, and then
Yes.
Nirjara Shabda is declining. Nirjaraha, Nirjarau, Nirjarasau. Correct.
Yes,
Jaraya,
Yes.
Jaraya, Jarasanyatarasam, which was kind of different word, little bit different word. And now this Dvi Shabda is also having different qualities, but it is becoming Akaranta and getting declined. But we saw it in the Ikaranta Shabda. Now, Hraswa Ikaranta Shabdas are over. Now, Dirgha Ikaranta Shabdas are going to start from now. What is the first word we have got in Dirgha Ikaranta? So it is Papi. Papi. Pati lokam iti papihi. Because it is masculine gender, papihi. Okay. Pati lokam iti papihi. So it is derived from dhatu using unadi pratyaya. Using unadi pratyaya. It is not krut pratyanta, it is unadi pratyanta. Okay. Pratyayas are two types of. Those which get connected to nouns, those which get connected to roots. Pratyayas which are connected to nouns are of two types. One is vibhakti pratyayas, another tadhita pratyayas. Vibhakti and tadhita. Dhatu. Dhatu gets again two types of pratyayas. One is ting pratyaya, which are lakara pratyayas, and second is krut pratyaya. There is one more category, it is named as unadi pratyaya, but unadi is also considered a kind of krut pratyaya. Unadi is considered as kind of krut pratyaya. Ting pratyaya, adding ting pratyaya, we derive verb form. Adding krut pratyaya, we derive kind of participles or verbal nouns or indeclinables. Okay. So we derive verb forms. We derive, this is finite forms. We derive finite forms, finite verb forms, adding lakara pratyayas, which are ting pratyayas. Krut pratyayas, adding krut pratyayas, we get participles, nouns, verbal nouns, gerunds are derived from krut pratyayas, using krut pratyayas. So at the end it will become noun, whereas this will become verb form. Now this third category is also similar to krut pratyayas. This also derives nouns only from dhatus, but they are not included in Ashtadhyayi. They are not actual part of Ashtadhyayi. In 8 chapters, they have just only this much sthana. Unadayo bahulam. Okay. So unadayo bahulam is just, it was mentioned that these unadi pratyayas are there and they will happen after dhatus in various senses, in various ways. Okay. So this is third category, which is named as unadi. Now, which is not really added in the Ashtadhyayi. If at all it was added, it would have been added in the Krit category because they have similar function. As per the functions, both of them are similar. So Krit would have taken this unadi pratyas in their category. Now this papi shabda is not derived using Ashtadhyayi Sutra, but it is derived using Unadi Sutra. So there is separate set of Sutra which is Unadi Sutra. Some say this is not a creation of Paniniji. Might be true. So this is the Unadi Sutras are traditionally existing there, which are used by grammarians. That Unadi Sutras are referred. So this Pati Lokam iti papihi is pa dhatu getting e unadi pratyaya, and we are getting this papi shabda. There is sutra I have written here. Yapoho kit dvecha. Now this the anuvritti of e is coming. E is the pratyaya, and it is said that after ya dhatu and after pa dhatu, what will come? E pratyaya will come. It will have characteristics of kit. It is not kit. It does not have ka as it, and yet it is considered as kit. And dhatu will get reduplication. This is the artha of sutra. Pa plus e. Pa e. Pa gets duplication. Pa e. Then the first pa becomes hraswa. Pa e. And then that akara disappears. E. Papi. And then we got our papi shabda here. Okay, after doing that process, we got this papi shabda. Now, athavat adhatuhu apratyayah pratipadikam. This is arthavat, but it is not adhatu, it is dhatu, because it is pa dhatu. But one more word will help us to make it pratipadika. Sutra is krit tadhita samasascha. Even that which ends with krut pratyaya or tadhita pratyaya is considered as pratipadika. So papi. Now this shabda ending with unadi pratyaya e, which is considered as krut pratyaya, that's why it is considered as pratipadika. Pratipadikatvat subutpatti su. Papi su. We got this example. So far is clear?
Yes.
Pati lokam is the one who protects loka is called papi. That is the meaning. Now, just prakriya we have to do. What will happen? Sa will remain, who will disappear? Upadeshe janu nasika it. Then what will happen next? Okay, whatever sutras we have seen, na, use those sutras. If you apply those sutras, what will happen?
Rushuru.
Yeah, so Sarisharu should happen. Nothing is there. It is not something different, just Sarisharu. Plus we will put then. Okay, now papis is pada. Subantatvat, it is pada. Now sa will get replaced by ru. by sa, sajuto, ruhu. Then ukar will disappear. We will get papir. Then papihi. Sutra is now. Just before just fine. Let's finish papi shabd. Let's finish. Papihi is done. Now let's move to the next pratyaya. Papi plus au. One sutra will come here.
Eco energy.
Eco energy. The prathama purva savarna will not come.
No.
Why?
It is not Adanta Anga.
Prathama purva savarna dirgha is
Adanta.
Prathama purva savarna is no. Prathama purva savarna is not for Adanta Anga only. Actually, it is not for Adanta Anga. Anyway, in Adanta Anga, it is not applied because Nadichi comes. So, Prathama Purva Savarna is applied for those words which are not ending with Akara.
Yes. It's not Akara.
Yeah.
Ikara.
So, Prathama Purva Savarna should get applied. What might be the reason? Okay, what will happen now? One sutra we saw.
Nadichi.
No, Nadichi sutra said that at ichi pare. So adant means adanta anga should be there. At ichi pare purva savarna dirgha nasya. All this Ajanta Pullinga is going to get repeated when we are going to see this. These words, because they are going to become Akaranta. So everything will get revised. Okay, because it is Dirgha, that's why something will happen here. Okay, for now, what is happening? Eco Yanachi is supposed to come. Eco Yanachi will not come. Eco Yanachi iti Adeshe Prapte. What is happening? Pratamayo Purva Savarna is coming. Dirghat Jasicha. Papi plus au. Here, what is coming? Pratamayo Purva Savarna was coming. Au. Purva Savarna ityanena Purva Savarna Dirgha Deshe Apyamane. What happens? Dirghat Jasicha, this sutra comes. औ नाद इचि आत इचि परे पूर्व सवर्ण दीर्घ न स्यात्. And in the same way, if word is ending with dirgha, then that will not happen. Ichi pare dirghat ichi pare purva savarna dirgha nastyat. Varna, the word is ending with dirgha swara and pratyay is ich. It is starting with ich. So dirghat ichi pare purva savarna dirgha nastyat. Dirghat jasicha ityanena निषेधः. तस्मात् भवत्येव यणादेशः. Correct. यणादेश only will happen. प्रथमैव पूर्वसवर्ण दीर्घ was प्राप्त. दीर्घात् जसिच सूत्रके, I mean it stopped it. That don't apply because word is ending with dirgha. If it is ending with hrasva like hari plus au, then it is applied. Au is disappeared, hrasva e also disappears, and purva savarna dirgha, which is dirgha e, comes in the place of e and au. Hari, harihi, hari. That's what it happens. Okay. Now, p e plus au, pap ya plus au. Sutra is answer is ready. Papyau. Papihi, papyau. Now,
Is it dirghayi or hrasvayi?
oh, dirgha. Sorry. Papi plus jas. What will happen now?
Same thing. First try applying equivalence. That will be, we have to apply Pratmayo Purva Savarna, that is Bada by Dirgha Jasicha. Therefore, do Yana only.
It's like dirghat ichi pare पूर्व सवर्ण दीर्घ न स्यात्. दीर्घात् जसि परे पूर्व सवर्ण दीर्घ न स्यात्. So here papi plus 0 as by chutu ja has disappeared and then tasya lopah. E plus as पूर्व सवर्ण दीर्घ was प्राप्त. पूर्व सवर्ण दीर्घे दीर्घादेशे what happens? दीर्घात् जसिच सूत्र comes. दीर्घात् जसिच इत्यनेन निषेधः पूर्वसवर्ण दीर्घ निषेधः. तेव यणादेशः. We get pap ya as by eco yanachi. Final answer is papyah. Sakara will turn into ru, satu rutva visarga papyah. Papihi, papyau, papyah. Plus
Ami Purva.
Ami Purvah. Purva Rupa will take place here. E plus pap 0 plus 0 plus ma and then pap, e, and then ma. Reason is ami purvah. अकः अमी अचि परे पूर्व रूप एकादेश स्यात्. आंसर इज रेडी. पपीम, पपिः, पपीः, पप्यौ, पप्यः, पपीम. Till this पपीम. Now puppy plus out. Puppy plus out. Puppy plus out. T will disappear. Halantyam tasya lopah. Puppy plus out. What will happen here? So first प्रथमयो पूर्वसव ऐकोयणचि प्रथमयो पूर्वसवर्णः दीर्घाज्यसि च इकोयणचि पप्यौ. P plus shas. Now we have got the situation. What will happen here?
Puppy plus us.
P plus us. Sutra.
Lashakva
तद्धीते. Next step.
Padmayoho Purvasavana. And then
पूर्व सवर्ण दीर्घ is प्राप्त.
Tasmat Chaso Napumsi.
Why can't we add here दीर्घाज्यसि च?
It is not each.
Okay, in just it was not each. In just also there was us. It was not each.
Sutra is Dhika or Jasi.
Two nimittas are there.
Just there.
It should be ijadi or it should be just. It is not ijadi because it is beginning with us. Or it should be just. It is not just. It is shas. That's why. Correct. So prathamayoho purva savarnah is working here. Now what will happen?
By Tasmat Chaso Napumsi, it will get converted into Nakara.
It will turn into nakara. Tasmat chaso punsi कृत पूर्व सवर्ण दीर्घात. The sakara of shas will turn into nakara when if we have already done purva savarna dirgha. We did purva savarna dirgha. We had papi and then sa of shas that turns into na, and we get the final form plus ta. What will happen?
Puppy plus A.
Reason is chutu. Next.
Just Ikoyanachi.
Just ikoyanachi. Answer is ready. Papya. Papi plus ne. What will happen?
A.
Sutra is
Lashakva.
तद्धीते. तस्य लोपः. Now when it was Hari, what had happened? Hari plus nge. In the case of Hari plus nge, what had happened? Hari plus nge.
घेर नीति.
Here niti. Har plus e and then a. In this situation, e had been replaced by ekara. Gher niti. Gehe niti supi guna syat. Hari is ghi saudnyaka, and whatever is named as ghi will get guna adesha, will get guna if it is followed by ngit pratyaya. So har e had become har a, and then plus a, and then ayadya adesha took place. Har I and then a, and form was ready har a. Correct. What will happen in the case of P plus a, P plus e plus a? What will happen here?
Eco energy.
Eco energy. Here the Gehring niti will not be applied. Reason?
Ghee sanya is not there.
Ghi saudnya is not there. Ghi saudnya happens of what?
Rasva ikaranta and ukaranta.
Rasva ikaranta, hrasva ukaranta, pullinga, strilinga, napunsakalinga. It is pullinga, but it is not hrasva ikaranta. It is dirgha ikaranta. That's why it is not ghi saudnyaka. Ghi saudnyaka it is not. Therefore, just simple sandhi will take place, which is yana desha, eco, yanachi. Answer is ready. Okay. Plus bhyam. What will happen here?
Just papibhyam.
Papibhyam. Dirgha karya happens to akaranta word. This is not akaranta. So let it be hrasva ikaranta, hrasva ukaranta, dirgha ikaranta, dirgha ukaranta. Nothing is going to happen in the case of this bhyam, bhyam, bhis, bhis, bhyam, 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 bhis, bhyas, bhyas. If it is akaranta, then in bahuvachana it will become a. But it is dirgha ikaranta, nothing is happening. Papi bhyam. Then papi bhyam. Is tritiya vibhakti papi bhyam. Then papi plus this. Answer is papi bhi. Papi plus bhyas. What will happen? Just kharavasanayor visarjaniyah. Unless we find some unique or specific work regarding that particular word, nothing will happen. Just papi bhyah chashti chaturthi. Mokshamita. After tritiya did okay. After tritiya we directly took ngya.
You have to do ngas.
Yeah. Here itself it should have come. Papi. Vibhakti dvivachan here. After papya tritiya vibhakti ekvachana, tritiya vibhakti dvivachana is papi bhyam. Papi plus bhi. Answer is papi bhi. Tritiya vibhakti is over. Chaturthi vibhakti is papi nge, papye, papi bhyam, papi bhyam, papi bhyah. Then Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Papi plus asi. Yes. Puppy plus nas, that much only form will solve. Nga will disappear by lashak wa taddite. Puppy plus us, this is what the situation will be there. Puppy plus us, nothing will happen, just yanadesha will take place. Papya plus us, papyas, papyaru, papyar, papyaha. Kharavasani visarjaniya, papyaha. Then papibhyam, papibhyah, same form as Chaturthi Vibhakti. So here we will stop. Swamiji. Or should we finish Papi Shabda?
How much? Any new sutra? There is no new sutra now.
No, nothing.
I'll just finish it.
Papi plus Nasi. Us. Final answer is Papi Bhyam. Bhya. Papi plus Nas. Answer is Papyaha. As Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan. Then Papi plus Os. What will happen here?
Papyoho.
Koyanichi, papyo.
Papyoho. Then
Papinam.
Rasanadhyap note.
will not happen.
Notaga.
Papyam.
Swantat, Nadyantat, Abantat. It is not Hraswanta and it is not Nadi. We have not seen Nadi Saudnya. We will have to see Nadi Saudnya. And then, because it is not Nadi, it is not Abanta, so Nut will not come. Let's keep that Nadi Saudnya we have not seen. So just we can see now that Nadi Saudnya is not there. So because it has not got Nadi Saudnya, it is not Hraswanta, it is not Abanta, Nut will not come. So if Nut will not come, then what will happen? Then P plus Ni.
P plus E.
Just that much only. Just Dirgha Desha will take place. P plus Os. Then True. Adesha Pratyayo. Here we will keep again because of for this Shashti and again Sambodhana Ekvachana. We'll need this. We'll see Sambodhana in next class.
Okay.
We'll keep this.
Okay.
Should we do Shanti Path Swamiji?
Yes.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishtate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om.